everyone, today we are going to present about how to make Bua Loy.
My name is Pitchaorn Areparat, number 620710423.
My name is Asaya Tongmee, number 620710546.
My name is Srisiri Suriyaamorn, number 620710801.
My name is Supachai jaiyen, number 620710802.
My name is Suttichai Nungkamee, number 620710803.
First, we need to preparing some ingredients. Let's see what we got. We got a rice flour, sticky rice flour, steamed sweet potato, steamed pumpkin, butterfly pea juice, palm sugar, salt, pandanus leaf, a coconut milk, and a bottle of water. So the colors are totally natural. We didn't want to add a color of food. So the purple will be from a sweet potato, a yellow will be from a pumpkin, and the blue will be from a butterfly pea juice.
First, you need to find a mixing bowl to combine dry flour and sticky rice flour. Dough for each color until the dough is don't stick your hand.
Wow! Next, in the pot with the heat off, add some coconut milk. Granulate palm sugar. And salt. Then turn the heat to medium to low. Add stir. When it begins to boil, turn the heat off.
Then that your tray and your hands with sticky rice flour. Make small bowl that are about 1/2 an inch big using the dough that you made.
Alright!
When you're done, add more sticky rice flour on top and move ball around to prevent them from sticking to each other.
Put the ball until they fall. And take them out. Finally, so you can also add any topping that you like, etc. sweet egg, and enjoy it.
That's an easy way to make